So we have some great news coming out of DJI this morning. They have announced that they are increasing the warranty for your DJI products batteries from the standard 6 months to 12 months. That's always really, really nice news. Now, you are still subject to a limited number of cycles, primarily the drones that I feature on this channel, such as the DJI Mavic Mini, the Mini 2, and the Air 2 and the Air 2S, etc. The battery cycle warranty limit on there is 200 cycles, but if you are a DJI Osmo Pocket user, Pocket 2, etc., that cycle is around 400. So again, just a short update on this one, and I think that's absolutely fantastic news, and it must show DJI's confidence in the reliability of their batteries. What I will do is I'll leave a little link in the description below, which will take you exactly to the page, so you can check your DJI product. But anyway, that's absolutely brilliant news. Don't forget to tune in for more videos of mine. I do have a whole host coming up, and thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.